You give us 2 minutes, we'll show you how to go from a dirt lot to a beautiful view. If you're building a new home, a commercial project, or doing a home renovation, New Beginnings Window and Door is your one-stop shop for your window and door needs. Located at 62 McKinley Street in the village of Wappingers Falls, we have a 2,500 square foot interactive showroom with a variety of window, door, and hardware samples. When you bring us your plans, our dedicated sales team with over 100 combined years of experience will go through your takeoffs to make sure that we get the perfect product for your project. If budget is a concern, we can value engineer your project to make sure your beautiful view doesn't break the bank. With a plan in place, we can take you through our showroom and show you the options we can provide from over 15 different manufacturers. Once you've decided what brand and style you want, our sales team will do a complete project price using your plans. Upon completion of the proposal, we will sit down with you and review everything to ensure complete accuracy in your project. Once we receive your product, our warehouse team will safely and securely load up and deliver your product to the job site for installation by your builder or contractor. Upon installation, your sales rep will confirm operation and function by doing a complete job site walkthrough. There's nowhere else you should be shopping for windows and doors for your next project, so give New Beginnings Window and Door a call at 845-298-DOOR to find out how we can help you begin each day with a beautiful view.